Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Thursday the 8th of January with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now. And this flight to safety that we saw the first couple of days of trading in 2015 is slightly being reversed now. The yen is weakening, hence pulling dollar yen higher. Now, I did say yesterday that I thought 119 big figure there or thereabouts was a pretty good pivot level for dollar yen. And it sort of is still working out that way, you'd argue. This is 119, and that's sort of having sort of consolidated around that level. We broke out, and then we came back to use that consolidation sort of support area around 119 to use that as the basis of support. So I'd be sort of now looking upon 119 as a bullish level. If you can hold above 119 on dollar yen, I think that would suggest we're sort of, I mean, to be honest, we're in a bit of a trading range on dollar yen. There's no major sense of correction now. Now we're back above 119. I don't think this chart is corrective. I think it's sort of playing out a bit of a consolidation range. And certainly the momentum indicators remain in bullish configuration. So you would be slightly wary of suggesting that this is now going to be going back towards the downside, certainly having rallied above 119 and used it as the basis of support. So I would say that you'd be sort of playing the range now. I think is the only real way you can do dollar yen near term, because it is pretty choppy and it's slightly uncertain as to exactly where it's going to go. And these momentum indicators, this is the hourly chart, you'd say that the momentum indicators do suggest that you'd be playing the range. Sort of when you get into an overbought situation, you sort of get sold off. When you get into an oversold situation, you start to find support again. So you maybe could use the RSI on that on the hourly chart, but I'd still say that you'd be sort of in a consolidation phase, and it just doesn't really seem as though dollar yen is too sure as to exactly where it's going to go. The last couple of days obviously have been very positive, couple of green candlesticks there developing, and dollar yen is around about 40 odd pips to the upside today, still above 119 figure, and still looking positive. So maybe using any sort of dip back towards 19 on a basis of support as a chance to sort of maybe put in a speculative long. But as I said, it's not really too certain as to exactly where it's going to go on a medium-term basis, and for that reason it's quite a difficult near-term trade. But maybe looking to play the range is the only real way that you can do dollar yen at the moment on a near-term basis. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.